Mistake and other common ways to talk about mistakes in English.
We all make mistakes. It's part of being human. But in English, there are many ways to talk about errors, from simple slips to serious blunders. Let's explore some common phrases and expressions you can use to talk about mistakes, whether you're admitting one, warning someone, or learning from it. My mistake, a short and casual way to admit an error. Oh, sorry, my mistake. I thought your meeting was tomorrow. Well, like you said, everybody makes a mistake. I made a mistake with Miller. You're making a big mistake? Rookie mistake, a common error made by someone inexperienced. I left the door unlocked. Rookie mistake. I made a mistake. General way to admit you did something wrong. I made a mistake with the report, but I've already fixed it. Learn from your mistakes. A typical way to say errors help us improve. It's okay to mess up. Just learn from your mistakes. We all make mistakes, used to comfort or excuse someone. Don't worry about it. We all make mistakes. No more mistakes, often said as a warning or strict instruction. We've already lost too much time. No more mistakes. Let's look at other ways to talk about making mistakes in English. 1. Slip up. He slipped up and sent the email to the wrong person. It was just a slip-up. Everyone makes them. One small slip-up cost them the match. 2. Blunder. The manager's blunder cost the company millions. That diplomatic blunder caused an international incident. He made a huge blunder by trusting her. 3. Mix-up. There was a mix-up with the reservations. Sorry for the mix-up. I thought the meeting was tomorrow. 4. Mistaken. I was mistaken. It wasn't her. You must be mistaken. We don't sell that here. 5. Error. There was an error in the report. Human error caused the system failure. 6. To mess up. I messed up the schedule. She was doing great, but one mistake messed everything up. Now she has to start from scratch. 7. Screw up. I really screwed up this time. 8. Error in judgment. It was just an error in judgment, not intentional. 9. Honest mistake. It was an honest mistake. Anyone could have made it. Quitting my job without another one lined up was a huge mistake. I ran out of money in just 2 months. It was a huge mistake to ignore the warning signs. Now it's too late. Trusting him again was a huge mistake. He let me down just like before. 11. To take the fall. Even though the mistake wasn't entirely his fault, he took the fall for the team's failure to protect everyone else's reputation. So next time you make a mistake, big or small, you'll know exactly how to talk about it in English. Whether it's a rookie mistake, a slip-up, or just an honest mistake, the key is to learn and move on. Want to keep improving? Check out the playlist for more practical English vocabulary and expressions.